I never thought I'd post any of this online, but times have changed. I have albums, though, cassettes. Goodbye. As the tide rolls in, I hold my breath. Stuck to this chair, I am sitting there wishing for death. As I watch the waves rise to my eyes, each coming year they reach new heights. Every year, sitting and dying in fear. But I'm holding on because I know just as they come back how they'll go. With this truth comes the curse. It's the same when in reverse. And I know that once my time is due, I'll leave this chair, become something new. Maybe then the tide will finally subside. But even when the skies are bright and I get to watch the gulls in flight, I still taste the salt and feel sand in my ass. But I'm holding on because I know as they come back how they'll go. With this truth comes the curse. It's the same when in reverse. feel the waves rock my boat, and I yearn for the shores, but I know out here in the ocean I live for more. Out in the ocean, memories crystallize, and I long to lose my mind again, this time forever. Forget my life out on the sea, return to where I hide, without feeling guilty about what I've left behind. Cause down in the pines, it's alright. There's no need to feel at all. Truly experience it all. It's alright. Just come inside. Show you what you need to find, not what you like. Reaching higher than I can comprehend, the smell of sap I can understand. I shouldn't be here, but it's the only place I really feel. Although it's truly fear, it brings me some security, conscious false security. I'll lose myself completely to thee. But the forest is burning, it's not new, just new to me. And I need to save myself before I too catch a place. No, there's nothing for you here, can't you see? There's nothing for you here, why can't you see? my old habits. Don't want to admit it, but it is true. I pray to the God I don't believe in, that no one will follow these footsteps through. Down in the pines, it's where I lose my mind. Please don't follow me. It's so easy to slip back in hell when you ain't got a grip on yourself and your mind at all times. 'Cause I can't open medicine anymore without it sending me back how I was before, yeah. 'Cause baby, without you, I'm so lonely. I miss you. Falling back into my old habits. Don't want to admit, but it is true. I pray, oh I pray, that no one will follow these footsteps through. Don't you follow these footsteps through. Pills were never enough. While I'm here, I better double up, yeah. Crack 'em all open, I'm gonna get real high. Wanna stay inebriated, I wanna stay inebriated. Stay inebriated, wanna stay inebriated. Wanna stay inebriated, wanna stay inebriated. I wanna stay inebriated. I wanna stay inebriated, wanna stay inebriated, wanna stay inebriated for the rest of my life. 'Cause I'm falling back into my old habits. Don't want to admit it, but it is true. I pray to the God that I believe in, that no one will follow me through. Down into the pines, it's where I lose my mind. But please don't follow me if I'm hanging in the pines. Tired of the looks, all the same boring hooks, a line to sink her in an uncomfortable conversation. What do you want me to say? I don't know why I am this way. Wish I could give it up every fucking day, but I've tried, and it never does much more than make it all unbearable. I've tried, and it never does much more than make me wanna die. drowned it all away. Cough medicine and Mary Jane. I find it hard to occupy my mind nowadays. I used to live in for a cause. Better step up or step off. Make the most of it while I've got some time left. And my newfound happiness, it outweighs all of my regrets. Yeah, my newfound happiness makes me understand why I can't go back. But I've tried. I've tried. I've tried. I've tried. I've tried. I've tried. And it never does much more than make me wanna die. My legs, but never as deep as I please. These blades aren't sharp enough to meet my needs. I'll craft my own to steal my life away. Fuck. I fucked up. I cut my legs, but never as deep as I please. These blades aren't sharp enough to meet my needs. I'll craft my own to steal my life away. And I have purpose now, but still I stare back at myself. Reflections in puddles blood, and I must work to keep myself moving. Stay too busy to bleed. I am focused now. I must perfect it. And I can't slow down. They will catch me and won't let go. Please let go. Oh, please let go. And with my skill, I'm revered, feared for my mind's unwind. But in the steel, I'll scribe the demons I vanquish from the darkest parts of my own mind. They are focused now. I must protect it. And I can't slow down. They will catch me and won't let go. And with my blade, their blood will be stolen by your hand. My demons will bleed, and with my blade, your blood will be stolen. If you resist, then on you they will feed. So focus now. You mustn't reject it. And you can't slow down. They will catch you and won't let go. Oh, please let go. Oh, please let go. Oh, please let go. the morning highway. I think I finally see the light coming my way, but something just don't feel right. Something just don't feel right. And I've long begged for your blessing. I didn't realize it's but a curse, but I don't want you any longer. I knew my place upon this. I know my place upon this. Despite the obvious chaos, there is order in the mist. Build a home out in the ocean. Upon yourself your house must sit. There's something that I must admit. Must sit, fix your shit. You must sit, fix your shit. Cast out indulgences, I said. Cast out indulgences, or you will drown, and no one can save you. I said you will drown, and no one can save you except for yourself. And then you can say without lying, only then can you say without lying. Maybe then you can say without lying that you don't want to die tonight. That you've said a few things right. Turned away from the pines, now you've turned to face the tide, and now you ride off into the light. This guitar is the only thing that I've ever loved that creates me. You don't destroy me. This guitar employs me to do something more with my life. We'll go more than the distance. We'll go real, real far. This guitar enables me escapism that outweighs the weight of drugs 10,000-fold. You, I will hold my guitar. I will sacrifice my time to you. I'll give up my mind to you, oh baby. 'Cause when the whole world is over, I'll be running through the streets singing my song. The cause of it all, me and my guitar. And all these sounds, they make so much sense now. Yeah, they're starting to get something through to me. Maybe you can see, isn't it obvious? The world is bottomless, but I'm upside down. I'll never bottom out. So even when I'm over, keep on running through the streets, singing my songs. The cause of it all. The cause of it all. The cause of it all, me and my guitar. This is one of my favorite songs. Well, I like all of them. Not really, sometimes. Kind of. Depends on the day. Or shut the fuck up. I just like playing the banjo. Look at you, see stars swarming in your face, but I must erase all emotion. The timbre of your voice has its place, but I'm terrified of the consequences. I have so much to say. I must learn to conceal, but not dilute the message. I don't know a better way to describe this. Call it photogaretesis. 'Cause I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun, 'cause I'm staring at the sun. I began to see you the way you see yourself, and I still find you beautiful. You're not a burning mess out in space, form of hell. Your shine allows existence. Your light has made it past my blind's constant presence on the mind. But I wouldn't wish to change it. And although you may light the path I may find, the risk involved is too much to chase. But I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm gonna get burned. But I have peeled off my skin and now need time to callous. Oh, I promise you this is without any malice. But I must learn to build my own home, a mental palace. And I yearn to one day drink from the golden chalice. These are all the things I say to myself to distract me from it. I'd be lying to say of our times I do not love them. I wish that I could scream to distract you from it, but I know that the coldest point is surely at the summit. But I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. Yeah, I'm staring at the sun. I'm staring at the sun. I've been staring at the sun. Yeah, I've been staring at set my sights for some time. Said I'd simply touch the sides, but I find myself walking deeper into the pines. I look back in search of hope. The sight of the water and my boat, but when I seem to have dragged it ashore, more so that it willingly followed forth. And I look at my surroundings, see these trees to be deep in their soundings and Broglio, and so I know getting deeper than before, and I am the devil in 10,000 ways. I am the devil in 10,000 ways. And I have everything to change 10,000 ways. I am the devil in 10,000 ways. Bye. Go! I think I know what must be done. I think I know what must be done. Do I wanna do it? No, but I gotta do it. Whoa, I think I know what must be done. Is everything I'm doing just selfish? If it is, do I even really care? Am I too stupid to realize how stupid all of this is? Am I too hopeful to comprehend? But I think I know what must be done. I think I know what must be done. I know, I know, I know, I know, I know what must be done. Is am I myself too much? Do I overestimate my abilities? But I'm sorry, I'm not old enough to have already given up to something I need. I can't exist without it. I think. No, I know what must be done. I know why I can't sleep at night. I'm fading away, and I'm done. 'Cause I know what must be done. 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 Do I want to do it? But I gotta do it. Whoa, I think I know. I know what must be done. Through the steady I'll dally, the dance of the dandy, the one who's handy with whiskey and brandy, who bears its mark from a self-imposed brand. Who now stands staring, scraping and sanding at the blackened maze that tears through her skin, when the only way out is from deeper within. From this sword I'll forge a strigil. Virgin minds must hold a vigil to witness the great I know. As I burst out from the trees, I've made it through its wretched maze. I walk towards new ways, towards golden shores that are sure to amaze. But the path from this place is far from narrow or straight, and despite callous tries, I'm at the place that I hate. To love I cannot lie, that I have come to despise. So to tell you the truth, I have climbed up these pines to gaze towards the waves, but no luck I can find. It's too hard to see without a sun in the sky. And these pills, although prescribed, they cannot ward off what's inside. As from above and below, there is nowhere to hide. So why do I try? Oh, why? Oh, why? Are you my guide? Or have I lost my mind? Goodbye.